Welcome back. Today we're going to go over what you guys need to do in order to record a song. All right, we're going to go to Pro Tools. We're going to do a new track or a new file, new folder, create new session. Let's just name it. We don't know what the name of the song will be yet. So just name whatever you want. Bobcat, I don't know, whatever, because I don't know what it's going to be yet. Leave all this stuff alone. Usually everything is fine. You just make sure you want it to go to the location you want it to go to. Create. Gonna be a blank screen because you have to add tracks. So to do that, you take you go to track, and then you go to, well, actually, usually you're gonna want to record to music, right? Unless you're doing some sort of audio that doesn't require music. But if you do, you're gonna want to import first the music that you want to record to. So for that, you go to File, go to Import Audio. Then you find where the beat is on your computer. But you can scroll through like that. I'm pressing the space button just to hear to solo them. I mean, not to solo them, so I can to demo the sound. So once you pick it, it's over here. You need to press Convert. And once it's over here, then you can press Done, and then it'll ask you where you want to put it. So you want to put it in the audio folder of the session that you just created. So this is called Bobcat. It's in audio files. That's what you want. Open. And you want a new track. You want it to be on a new track at the session start, usually. So bam. Now, you don't see it because it's on the mixing page. And to toggle between the recording and the mixing page, you press Command and then the plus sign. So you go back and forth like that. So now you see it. So we press the space bar, and you can hear the music. So right now you have a music track, and you need a vocal track or a couple vocal tracks. So what you do is you go up to track, you do new track. And usually you want a couple different vocal tracks because you want to be able to do your main vocals. Then you want to do doubles, or you want to do ad libs, or you might want to do an intro, a little talking, whatever you want to do. Might want to harmonize if you're singing. So you want multiple tracks. So for this particular situation, I'll do 3 tracks, and you want mono audio tracks. You also want a master track just so you can see what your levels are, because you don't want to be distorted. So, and that means when you record your vocals too high, they'll be distorted and you really can't use them. So, in order to do more than like 2 different type of tracks, or more than 1 different type of track at a time, you can just press this plus button, and you can add another track, another type of track. So I want to do stereo, and I want to do a master track so that I can see the levels for the overall recording. So I'll press create. So here are the audio tracks, and this is the master track. So when I play, you can see that the music is pretty close to getting into the red. So, and when I start rapping, I'm pretty sure it's going to get into the red. So what I usually do before I even start, I'll press Command plus and go over to the mix side. And what I'll do, I'll just highlight the music track and all of the audio tracks, and I'll press Shift and click. So that'll group them all together. Like, oh, it won't group them. It'll highlight all of them. And then you want to press Command G, and that'll group them. And you can name them or whatever. I usually don't. I just press OK. And now when I move one of these, all of them will move. So I'm playing. I just want to get it down just to about right here. And if it's too low on my headphones, I'll turn my headphones up. Or in the monitor speakers in the studio, I'll just turn the monitor speakers up. But I don't want this over here getting close to this. So now we have it set like that. Then in order to take that group off, because I still want to be able to, adjust these individually, you go over to the left and just unclick it. And then whenever you want it to be a group again, you just click it. But right now, it's off. Then Command, then the plus signal to toggle back to this screen. We're going to start recording. Now, I usually record like this, and then just with 3 tracks and 3 audio tracks, and then I'll add more if I need later. But I'll do this just so it'll be easy for me to like punch in, and that's basically you record part of your lyrics at a time, like maybe 2 bars or 4 bars at a time. You can run through, if you have your 16 memorized, you can run through them and just say it, all at one time if you can. And then if you make any mistakes, just erase that part and re-record it. But I usually do it like this, especially when I don't know what's going to happen, like if I'm not finished writing it. So usually there's a 4-bar intro. In this case, let's see. Yeah. So I would come in 1, 2, 3, and bam. Actually, it's an 8-bar intro. So I really would come in here, 2, 3, and I'll do this whatever. All right. So now, in order to record, you need to record and enable the track. So you press that recording button. So you should usually be able to see levels here. If you don't, that means your input is on the wrong input. So this probably should be this one, mic 1. So now you see me in there. All right, and usually point about the microphone. I'm using a Apollo Twin. Some people use Aperture Duets. Some people use whatever they use, depending on your mic. Some mics need phantom power, and it says that's usually indicated by a 48 V, I believe. You need to turn that on in order for your mic to work. But other than that, usually just most mics are plug and play. But anyway, just gotta make sure you're in the right input, and you see these levels coming through. So now we can start. So it's an 8-bar intro. So I don't want to, I'll do the intro later maybe. So I want to go to where I should be coming in at. So right there is where I should be coming in at. So so on Pro Tools, if you have the long keyboard, this one with the number pad over here, you can just press 3. You can just press 3 on that to start recording. If you don't have that keyboard, then you have to press the record button, and then you press the play button, and it'll start recording. If your record button, your record button probably will say like R, and then let me stop it for a second. As a default setting when you open up Pro Tools, usually I think it'll say R. Let me see. Apple. It'll look like that, just with a circle. But usually what you want to do is hold Control and click it until it turns into a P. And you want that P up there so you can punch in. And usually your default settings on your play button are just like that. But I like to hold Control, click it, and make it so there's a circle right there, so that when I highlight a part of the song, it'll automatically play and loop. Just that's the way I record. So I'm going to press 3, and I'm just going to make something up and show you how I record, or show you an easy way to record, especially when you don't know what you're going to say, or you know, you want to go line by line or bar by bar. Okay. Let's go back and record, enable the track, and then I'm going to press 3. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. All right, so that's only like, I don't know, a line, 2 bars, whatever. Now, by the way, right now, whenever I click, if you notice, it's only clicking on the grid. It won't click in the middle, which I need to do. So that's because this is highlighted. That's grid. So just put it on slip. Then you can, click wherever you want. So you can, get rid of the dead space, whatever. So let's hear it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. So this right here can turn it up a little bit, or you can actually just turn this up from here. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. But if you do that, then you want to turn all these up to whatever you just turned that up to. So I think it was 1.3. All right, so yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. So if I like it, then I, just take it and drag it down here. All right. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. And so then I'll continue. So I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. I don't know, but I'm about to make a pay. So whatever. I'm just making stuff up right now. So you listen back to it. I don't know what I'm about to say today. I don't know, but I'm about to make a pay. So if I like it, I put it down. Let's keep going on from here, right? I don't know, but I'm about to make a pay. It's all about everything that I'm talking about. It's all about everything that I'm talking about. It's all about everything that I'm talking about. So, it's all about everything that I'm talking about. Everything with see now, so I don't like that. I messed up. Apple Z. It's all about everything that I'm talking about. Got a problem? We ain't talking. I'ma walk 'em out. Whatever. All right. So I like that. Now, so I'll just keep going until I get to the chorus. So I'll do 16 bars like that, and then after that, I might want to do doubles, or I might want to do ad libs. So just say, yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Say today. I don't know, but I'm about to make a pay. Make a pay. It's all about. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Say today. I don't know, but I'm about to make a pay. Make a pay. It's all about everything that I'm talking about. Talking about. Got a problem? We ain't talking. I'ma walk 'em out. Walk 'em out. All right, so that's gonna be ad libs. Whatever. Say today. So yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Say today. I don't know, but I'm about to make a pay. Make a pay. It's all about everything that I'm talking about. Talking about. Got a problem? We ain't talking. I'ma walk 'em out. Walk 'em out. All right, so then that's not doubles. That's just ad libs, and I'll put an effect on those later on everything. And that'll be in a mixing tutorial. But you also might want to do ad libs. I mean, not ad libs, doubles. So yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Say today. I don't. So a double, it's just you actually repeat everything at the same time you said it before. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Say. So that's a double. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Say today. I don't know, but I'm about to make a pay. Make a pay. It's all about everything that I'm talking about. Talking about. Got a problem? We ain't talking. I'ma walk 'em out. So you see what I'm saying? You can double. You can do whatever. So, and you usually want to just get rid of the dead space in between where you're not doing anything except waiting to record, because that's just usually it's probably headphone bleed or whatever. You just want to get rid of that space where you aren't doing anything. and you just highlight and delete it.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. I don't know, but I'm about to make a pay.
Same thing if you're singing. If you want to do, you know, harmonies, you'll sing on this track one note, and you'll sing a different note on this track at the same time. I'll go into that later. And auto tune and all of that. And so, but that's the basics of how you record. You can have like as many tracks as you want. Singers typically usually have more tracks than rappers. And you know, when you really get a song mixed in a big studio or whatever, this music track would you normally be tracked out like this is called a two track because all of the music, all the instruments are on two tracks. But usually they'll be tracked out like the kick drum be separate from the snare, be separate from the piano, that'll be separate from this. I'll show you guys later. But then I'm making a beat in Pro Tools tutorial. But yeah, so you just do that. You can create as many tracks as you want to, as your computer will allow you to. Like, and that's would be governed by your processing power and I guess your hard drive capacity. But you know, I can do 12, whatever. That's plenty enough room to make whatever you want. So yeah, that's how you record. And I'll go to mixing and song structure, and then do videos on particular plugins. Like this is a plugin, for instance. Like say, uh, let's see, I'll loop this, and to make things bigger and smaller, you use Command and then the brackets. So the right bracket will make it bigger, the left bracket will make it smaller. So just to show you about plugins, see, I'll solo this.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say
So
today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today.
it doesn't sound all that great. It sounds like regular. So what you want to do, these are where you put your plugins right here. So I'm just gonna do an EQ right quick.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm
So
about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm
EQ,
about to
I'll
say today.
do
Yeah,
a
I don't know
Q10.
what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what to say today.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah,
So
I don't know
usually
what I'm about to
you
say
just want to.
today. Yeah, I
This
don't
is the
know what I'm
bass.
about to say today.
This
Yeah,
is the
I don't know
mids.
what I'm about to say
This is the
today. Yeah,
highs, the
I don't know
trebles.
what I'm about to say
So
today.
usually on
Yeah, I don't
voices,
know what I'm
especially
about to
on.
say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm.
I'm gonna pause it. Usually on voices, male voices, you want to take out some of the bass. Usually, so what you do, instead of messing with these numbers right here, you can just click this, this, and this, and then turn them on. I'll turn them on right here, and that'll roll off the bass.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say
Then
today.
you
Yeah, I
take
don't know
number
what I'm about
9
to say today.
and you mess with it until it sounds right to you or better. All right, so that's what I'll do.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today.
So, and usually I'll do it with the music so you can hear it.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say.
Then, this is just brief. I'm not going to go into a full mixing tutorial, but you just want reverb and delay. Um, and if you're singing, usually auto tune. And you can be rapping, but if you rap singing, you know what I'm saying. Um, and you can do most of these plugins come with Pro Tools. Some of them don't. So I usually just do basic small reverb.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today.
So you can't hardly hear it, but you don't want to really hear it that much. You can. So like to see what it's doing.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say.
But I usually just,
Yeah,
or
I don't know what
just
I'm about to
you could
say
do long.
today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to
But
say
I
today.
don't. I
Yeah,
usually
I
just
don't
use
know what
small,
I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I
and then I'll do a delay. Um, and that's where the tempo becomes important. So this is the wrong tempo, so um, it won't sound exactly right, but you'll get the point. Um, no, no, I'll use that delay. Delay. I'm gonna use repeater.
yeah, I don't know what I'm about.
All right, so then I'll just use a preset and repeater. And let's see, cancel. Right here, I think. It's just rap main vocal.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today.
And what I'll do, so that's a lot. So what you do is you take the mix down.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today. Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today.
Turn it up and
Yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say today.
so yeah, you can make it more or less or
Yeah, I don't know what.
and you do different effects or plugins for different, like you don't like the background vocals will sound different than the lead vocals, probably sound different than the doubles also. So I'll go into that in another tutorial, but this is just the basics how you start recording. You don't need to. You can record with these on too. I usually do, but I was just giving you guys a basic idea how to start recording in Pro Tools. All right, thanks. See you next time.